Hey, greetings SemiPro Outdoors. It's time to hoist the colors and power pole down, y'all. We are again back on the tiny boat restoration project, and today we've got a special project going. We're going to be installing a shallow water anchor thanks to power pole. This is the power pole micro spike driver. It is an all-electric. It is specifically built for boats just like this. And everything is self-contained. We're going to be installing it today with the transom clamp to give us a little bit of flexibility. And while we're at it, we're going to turn our power pole into a pirate flag. All right, so for this install, the power pole micro has an optional transom mount that will let you put it right on the back of the boat, which is where we're going to be installing. So all power poles, they come standard with the swing clip. This is adjustable. So our first step is to put these two together, and they give you all the hardware to do that. We're gonna take the transom clamp down here. They've got the brass bolts right here, and we're going to attach the quick disconnect mount to our transom mount. All right, so now that we got the universal mount along with the transom mount all put in, basically all you have to do to install it is just screw it down tight onto your transom. Now we actually have a little bit of board on the other side to make it fit a little bit tighter. So as you can see, installing it is just a matter of putting that through there. Put the end cap on the other side. Put the quick release cap on the other side. All right, now as far as getting power to your power pole micro, you have two options. It comes standard with a power that you can attach to your 12-volt battery, the same one that you use for your trolling motor and any other little things you got on your John boat. Or, as we're gonna do, you can get the optional micro battery pack, which will make it everything self-contained. This is a rechargeable lithium battery. You get about 100 cycles up and down, which that's about all anyone is going to need. So it also helps us to keep everything self-contained, which is good. On a boat this small, every little piece of space matters. So we're going to be using the optional battery pack on this. First thing we're going to do is put the shroud on and then tighten it down. This will help keep the battery more secure and let you snap it right on and off for ease of use. All right, so as you can see, this is very easy to put on. We have our unit installed. Now comes the fun part. So with the power pole micro, it works with either the Spike Heavy Duty or the Spike Ultralight. The Spike Heavy Duty is good for boats up to about 1,500 pounds. So we're going to go with the HD version of the Spike on this. Now, as an added bonus, like I said, we're going to show how to hoist our pirate flag colors on our boat using the power pole micro anchor and the HD Spike. So what we're going to need is a conversion kit. These are available at basshack.com under 10 bucks. Really easy to install. Easy. The power pole spikes already come with a 1/420 hole drilled in here. So what you do is this comes with a small screw with a loop on it. So what you do is you take your favorite flag, in our case, the Royal Jolly Roger. So the pack comes with a split ring. What you do is you take the bottom split ring, the larger of the two, put it through the spike, and then your other side here, it easily just goes through the loop right here, clicks in for ease of in and out, and boom, you got yourself a pirate flag. And the best part about this works great with the micro anchor because it is free floating. It will go up and down without clogging up the anchor. So, last step, install your spike and put your power pole down. So there it is, folks. We have our power pole micro anchor and we got our pirate flag, all in one simple economic solution. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget, follow us on all the social medias. Thanks to Cannonbomb, my cameraman for today, as always. And we're gonna, keep doing this. We're gonna go actually take this out for a test drive here and do a little video from it. So thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time.